All right, and one thing that I wanted to do that I actually wanted to wait till I get about 5,000 miles is to measure the tire depth, the tread depth on these tires. I wanted to see if it eats any of the tires on any of the sides, but because this tire right here in the front started bulging on me, I have to change it to a new one. So I've decided to just go ahead and remeasure all the tires and see if there's any wear. This is the chart that I drew about 2 months ago when the truck had 136,000 miles. Now the truck has 139,000 miles. And these are the measurements that I had. And I'm gonna go ahead, measure all the tires once again. It's gonna be in green. And then we'll see if there's any difference. And then I'm gonna go ahead, take this wheel off, and then take it to a place. They just called me a few minutes ago and said that the tire came in. So I'm gonna go ahead, get that removed after I measure all the tires again. I'm gonna measure this one just in case. I'm gonna measure one somewhere in the bottom where it's not bulging. And we'll see what numbers we have, if anything changed, if there's any tire wear, uneven tire wear, and see if any of the sides are wearing off more than the other one. Stupid horn. All right, let's get this measured. All right, so here's what we got for the numbers. The passenger one on the front went down from 8 to a 7. The passenger rear ones went from 6 to 5s. And the driver's side rears went from 7 to a 6 and from 12 to 10. The outside wheel, the outside tire right here is the new one that I replaced, the one that was messed up during the accident. So from 12 to a 10 for a new tire, that's pretty decent, I think. It's not too much. And then the front one right here that's bulging went from 8 to a 6. This one went from an 8 to a 7. So this one actually wore out more because it was starting to bulge, I guess. And the front ones actually wear out a lot faster too, because when you're churning and all that stuff, so they wear out faster. But yeah, this one is it wore out faster than the passenger one. And I'm assuming because, like I said, because it started to bulge. And I measured this one in a few different spots, so that's yeah, it wore out a bit more than the other side on the front. So yeah, we're gonna grab this one and then go to the tire place, get it replaced, come back, put it on, and it should be good to go. All right, be right back. All right, I'm back with a new tire. I paid about $115 for the tire. It was like, I don't know, I think it was like $124 with tax, installed, balance, all that stuff. So that was pretty sweet. But yeah, it's a cheap tire. It's nothing too exciting, but it's new, it's good to go. And I'm gonna put it on this side, and I'm gonna have a fresh new tire on this side. And actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tire, the one that I also bought, the one that was busted, and I'm gonna swap it with the passenger side, just in case, just because it's probably same age, and it's from 2014. I believe it's at the end of 2014, so it's about 5 years old. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on the back there, get the other one, the new one, put it on the front, so that way I'm gonna have two new tires on the front, and 4 same year on the back. So that's gonna work out a lot better actually, because the front tires are usually the most important and it has the most weight, unless you're actually pulling trailers and stuff, which I'm not. So for now, this is gonna be perfect to have new set on the front, and then by the time I get maybe a trailer or who knows what, I might even end up having new wheels and new tires or whatnot. But for now, this will be perfect, 2 new tires on the front. So let's go ahead and throw this one on here and then swap the back one to the front one over here on the other side, and we'll be good to go. And guys, look what I got me, a little electric dirt bike, 36 volts, MX 650. I got this for like 120 bucks. I think it's like 450 on Amazon, but the batteries were dead. And I bought 4 new batteries on eBay for like 100 bucks. I think it may be even less. It was like maybe 95 or 90 bucks with free shipping. So basically for 200 bucks, I got me a little sweet little dirt bike, because the kids have 2 little ones, which we still have to fix. So we're gonna fix all 3 of them, ride around, have fun. And on this one, I'm gonna go from 36 volts to 48 volts. So that's gonna be pretty fun to ride around. Right now, I'm still kind of dealing with the wiring, get the new batteries all set up, and set up a way to charge it. Maybe I'll even buy a 48 volt charger for this guy. But yeah, for now, let's go ahead, get this done, get it situated, and she should be good to go. And we got more videos coming up on this girl as well. I got a few more things coming up that's gonna be delivered in the next few days. So, like I said, mods every day, all day, right? Alrighty, let's go. Alright guys, and she's done. So we got 2 new front tires basically. This is the one that was on the rear. I flipped it upside down. I still have to clean it a little bit. but it seems to be pretty good. It's not really all that bad. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. However, the one, see, like this one's a little shinier, so maybe I'll polish it out just a little bit to make it a little bit more shiny. I'll do that later on whenever I feel like it. But anyways, this one that was on the front, if you guys spotted it, it's all black on the inside because from all the brake dust and all that stuff has been cooking on there. So I don't know if I can save it. I really don't know. But I'll give it a shot. Not right now, I'll do it later. I'm gonna see if I can soak it in something, then brush it with like a steel wool, then try to polish it out, get it cleaned out. I'll figure out what I can do with that. I'll try to Google, see what I can do. I mean, if you guys have any ideas on how to clean inside the wheels, on how to clean the brake dust, let me know in the comments below. But for now, she's done. She's ready to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. I got one box that arrived, and I got a few more things on the way. One for interior and one for engine bay. And the box that arrived is going to be actually underneath the truck. So 3 different boxes, 3 different mods coming up. So we'll see you on those videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya!